What if I told you, your body has organs and systems working inside you right now, that you've probably never even heard of? Not your heart, not your lungs. I'm talking about the hidden ones, the silent workers, the parts keeping you alive without you even realizing it. Let's start with something crazy. The fascia. This is a thin layer that wraps around everything in your body. Your muscles, your bones, even your organs. Think of it like a full-body spiderweb holding you together. If this didn't exist, your body wouldn't even have shape. You'd literally collapse. And when you feel stiff, that's not just your muscles, it's your fascia tightening up. That's why stretching feels so good. You're loosening this hidden system. Now here's something even more surprising. There's an organ called the mesentery, and for years, scientists didn't even consider it an organ. But it is. It holds your intestines in place and carries blood and nutrients through your gut. Without it, your organs would just move around inside you. You've had it your whole life, and probably never knew it existed. Now let's go deeper, into your brain. There's a tiny structure called the pineal gland. It controls your sleep. When it gets dark, it releases melatonin and tells your body, it's time to rest. But here's the problem. Too much screen time, phones, TV, bright lights, confuses it. That's why you lie in bed, tired, but can't sleep. A tiny gland, controlling your entire sleep cycle. Now let's talk about something people think is useless, the appendix. For years doctors thought it had no purpose, but now we know it stores good bacteria. So when your stomach gets sick, it helps rebuild your gut. It's basically a backup system for your digestive health. Nothing in your body is random. Now here's something you see every day. But don't think about your eyelashes. They're not just for looks, they're sensors. The moment dust or something small gets close to your eye, they trigger a blink instantly. They also reduce airflow, stopping your eyes from drying out. Without them, your eyes would constantly burn and itch, small, but powerful. And speaking of things you ignore, your feet. Your feet have arches that act like natural shock absorbers. Every step you take spreads pressure evenly across your body. Without these arches, walking would actually hurt. That's why people with flat feet often feel pain. Your feet aren't just for standing, they're engineered for movement. Now let's go even deeper. Inside your bones. Inside them is something called bone marrow. And right now, as you're watching this, it's creating millions of blood cells every second. These cells carry oxygen and fight infections. Without bone marrow, your body couldn't survive. Your bones aren't just structure, they're factories. Now here's something wild. Your skin isn't just skin. It's covered in millions of bacteria. But don't worry, they're good. They protect you from harmful germs and keep your skin healthy. Your body is literally an ecosystem, living, working, protecting you. And finally, something you do every few seconds without thinking, blinking. You blink around 15 to 20 times every minute. Each blink cleans your eyes, spreads moisture, and even gives your brain a tiny reset. You don't notice it, but your body is constantly working behind the scenes. That's the crazy part about being human. There's so much happening inside you, right now, that you don't even realize. Your body isn't just alive, it's intelligent, it's precise, and it's full of hidden systems working 24/7 to keep you going. Subscribe for more mind-blowing facts.